Zaptec is already the leading EV manufacturer in Europe. And to stay in front, they need to explore new ways to innovate and grow and streamline operations. One of those initiatives is their ongoing collaboration with us at installer.com. For the past few months, we've been running a pilot together. And yesterday, we visited their Oslo office to reflect on the results and explore where we go next. Så der, install anything anywhere. Det så enkelt som det. Zaptec has built a strong reputation among installers for making chargers that are quick and easy to install. Through installer.com, we're helping take that one step further by simplifying the rest of the job too. Now, installers using our platform can review new leads and communicate directly with customers in one place by making the whole process smoother and more digital for everyone involved. At the same time, Zaptec get better insight and peace of mind knowing the jobs they refer are being followed up and delivered to a high standard. We're proud to be working alongside a company like Zaptec, forward-thinking, innovative, and open to trying new things. Together, we're exploring how the future of EV installations can look like.